How you doing, Scotty Bear? Back with another video. This video, I thought I would take a bit of a creative approach to my videos here because they get demonetized because of the stupid algorithm, which just the music in the background. Anyway, I'm gonna just narrate the action as we roll. Maybe that'll be kind of fun. I'm gonna turn down. Again, I'm just trying this. I don't know if it'll work out, but here we go. I start with $60. Wow, the screen's shaking while I'm here in the way called. I think that drops off here in a second. Just the king here. Ah, oh, is that how it goes down? Okay, cool. So so we get some sevens here. I know what happens. I guess that's not the fun part, but I hit something right away. That's kind of cool. And immediately on my mind is always, let's pump it up. So I know I'm kind of playing off the bonuses or seeing if it'll give me a few more bucks to be confident enough to bump it up. But I play a few more hands and not much happens. Also, the machines at this place is horrible. None of the buttons worked. It's pretty funny. So I have to reach over myself and try to hold the camera steady. And man, just these videos are fun to shoot. However, they're bloody expensive. That's the big deal. And you see here, I'm just up a few dollars or whatever. But I've been dying to hit one of these big scores on here. This is always when you find out how well you're running is when you're if you hit those gut shots for multipliers and then been able to follow it up with a hand, or these here, hitting multiple full houses and stuff, getting a 12 timer. So just hands are ticking off again, man. This stupid and this one's got some music on there, and I'm sitting there thinking to myself how to bypass this thing. And so this is my idea. So yeah, I pump it up. We're looking to score. Who cares about losing a few dollars? So anyway, 10 cents. This game's pretty expensive. I mean, there's no doubt about it. It's $5 a pull. I mean, it's on the line between upper end action and just low end action. But when you get it going at this rate here, it's pretty. It's easy to rack up some dollars quickly. Not much. I like the other version better. The guy for you that watched my other videos, I wasn't able to play that. Like I said, I really just kind of I made a lot of videos. I wanted to make at least a few more. So I don't know how many more I'll make, but I definitely, one thing I said, if I'm going to play anymore, at least I'm going to make sure to film it all. See, again, not much going on. Actually, down dollars. I put in $60. Oh, here we go. Here's the first shot at hitting something decent. Nothing. I really haven't been that lucky. I miss a ton of fucking royals and shit, aces, lots of good draws to try to fire at nice hits. Again, we'll see what happens here. Multiplier straights. This is when you know you're running good. You miss. I miss. 6-6. Again, ho hum, ho hum. Not much. Not much there. If you watch some of the other videos, that was one of the cool things. At least I was lucky. I did make some scores. Like one score, was literally the it was the second hand after I laid down the camera. I was like, oh, I really hadn't hit anything, nothing. Boom. Let's see, that's a nice hit right there. Hit the flush, but I don't think I hit anything. Yeah, one pair. Again, still not. I'm down like $10. We'll see how this does. It's hard to upload these videos when you start doing this stuff. Threes, threes, threes. We're taking video of video. I mean, that is one thing about this game. You got to be hitting hands otherwise. See, there you go. Straight. No multiplier. Just straight. At least you get one, I guess, right? Again, this is be. Do you hit the six or you get nothing? There you go. One. That's not horrible. Ooh, here you go. First shot. Hit that eight up there. I don't remember. Here we go. There's one. There's two. There it is. 200 bones. 225 bones. Double time right there. Of course, I think I hit the fours too. But there it is right there. Another $160. Back to back again at this place. The other video, I actually hit like three sequences of quad fours in like three hands or two hands. Nothing. Whiff ball. This is when you start to rack up the money, is when you hit stuff like that and you just crush this machine. And the one thing I say on the videos, I run it to like $400. I'm ready to quit at 400. Like I said, it's a profitable video. It's nice. I take the eights over here. I want to take the straight flush. It's just, look at that. Yeah, full house, not bad. I like the quads. Straight flush. It's hard to hit. I'm definitely low. I definitely have a run of royals coming for sure. I'm owed some royals, definitely. I've hit a lot of aces with kickers, but I'm owed some royals. Like you're gonna see a video one day where I'm gonna hit like three royals on five lines. Man, I've missed some real whoppers on a four draw royal with big multipliers in my life, so I'm owed a few. Oh, another quads, $25 there. I wonder if it's like, this is one of those machines, like I said, it's not too tough to rack up a couple grand on this machine. Of course, I take the 8-8 here. It doesn't look like it would have been too much different the other way. It's holding on pretty good to the 400. Want a nice long video. That's one of the other things, like, if you're gonna go play, especially these games, you gotta take the video. I mean, it's not. I have hits on this thing like 25,000 credits. Not this one, but previously. So it's not too. Did I blow that? No, I got it. Got one. See, of course, I'm not gonna get this one on the 8 timer. No, not even close. Like I said, I'm owed a couple nice royals in a row. 422. Still, we continue. Quad eights on 12. No. 10, 10, 10. The machine holds on pretty good here for quite a while, but it's still, I think it hits one more here and pumps it back up again. Like I said, I was committed to getting out of there at 400. I was like, I'm out. Forget it. You get up on one of these videos, you're ready to quit. I want to take straight flush possibilities. No, of course not. Rockets gives me another shot at least. Of course, boom. No fours. Nope. That's it, kids. Thanks for watching my video.